So welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that have not subscribed, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. If you're also yet to follow us on Telegram, the link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So do not forget to follow us. So let's see what we will be expecting today on GBPUSD. Right? Basically, we are expecting some major news that is going to really move this GBPUSD. First, we'll be expecting claimant count today, which has to do with some employment related benefits. Let me show you guys. So I mean, in probably in 4 5 hours time now, we'll be expecting news on claimant count. Then we'll be expecting CPI. I think this is one of the major news everybody's actually watching out for, and this is exactly what would move the market crazy today. So if in case CPI comes out low, then of course we expect GBP to USD to give us a bullish move, because with that we expect USD to fall, making way for GBP to actually give us a bullish move. But before that, we'll be expecting this claim out count. If it comes out high, then we are expecting it to fall, GBP to fall. And the reason is that it has to do with this on changes in people claiming unemployment related benefits. So of course, if it is high, it means there are more unemployed people, which is actually not really good for the PS, right? So pay attention to what the numbers that will be coming out. It is forecast, they are forecasting it for it to actually comes out low, right? If its case it comes out low, of course we expect GBP to actually see take off, to actually give us a bullish move. But if it comes out high, we are very much likely to see a drop on GBP USD. So basically, what we are trying to say is that for today, the technical aspect for technically we would not be expecting any movement on the technical aspect, except the news comes out, and basically the news is going to move our peers today. So we need to be very careful. If you are analyzing it technically, you need to watch out for the news, what the news is actually saying, so you will not get stopped out. So but if in case price decides to go technically without the news, I believe GBP USD will drop one more time before it starts taking off. But like I would say, our projection or everything, we are still to the upside movement. It just depends on how the markets will actually play out today with the news that will be coming out. So if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, make sure you do not forget to follow us on Telegram. The link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section. Follow us on Telegram. If you're also interested in high probability trade, that trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. If you're interested, then just subscribe with the link in the comment section, which is the Patreon channel. We are rolling out a 7 days free trial. So basically, you can trade with us free for good 7 days if you're interested, by the way.